how to make money on YouTube as a beginner without putting out any videos, guys. What's up, guys? My name is Philemon Shepoye. I'm a 16-year-old entrepreneur who lives in a beautiful country in Africa called Namibia, guys. So, in today's video, I want to be teaching you of how to make money on YouTube without even putting out videos, right? So, most people don't know this. And no, you don't go spam other people's YouTube channels. So, it's a brand new way, it's a brand new tactics, and I'm excited to go, right? So, first of all, you want to go on YouTube. Obviously, just go on YouTube. YouTube. First of all, you gotta understand we are putting out videos, but we don't want to show our face because most people one thing that stops them from making videos or did not want them to make videos in the start is because they're either afraid to go on camera for some reason, right? Or some like their friends will laugh at them or some things will happen, right? So they just don't they just don't want to go on camera, right? So basically, you want to pick a niche, right? When you're starting, you want to pick a niche where you want to start, right? So there's the health niche, there's the make money online niche, health, make money online, and relationship. So those are the top three profitable niches, right? So in this case, today's video, I'm gonna be teaching you in the health niche, right? So let's say, for example, how getting fit, right? On how to get fit, or basically workout for women, right? Workout for women, right? Women, right? So workout for women. You wanna search that, and you wanna look at the top videos, right? See the top videos here are only 2 minutes, 3 minutes, 5 minutes long, right? Sorry for that. Right. So close this program, cancel that. Right. So these videos are just 2 minutes, right? So let's click on this one. Let's click on this one. So what we want to do here basically is to copy the exact text and the title of this video, right? So that's what we want to do for this channel, right? So while that's loading, we open up another where you find the videos. It's called vid video pixels, right? Where you find free videos basically on how to do on anything, free videos, right? So you go here to so like here you saw that we search for the God for woman, right? And this is the title, right? And here are the tags that are loading. Here are the tags. And if you're wondering how am I seeing these tags, I'm using this Chrome extension called vidIQ. You can go download that for free, right? So we wanna go here. We wanna search also for workout for women, right? Workout for women. We wanna search that because we are in the fitness niche, right? Health and fitness niche. So we wanna basically copy video or take some of the videos in the health and fitness niche, right? So in this case, you wanna look at these videos here, right? You wanna look at these videos here and pick which ones and like that, which ones you must use that resonate, right? So like in this one, I'm just gonna take two videos. This thing will work out. So we just look at the other names of the videos, right? Like this one. This one is nice. Woman doing squats, leg workout, right? All those videos. So leg workout, right? So in this case, let's say leg workout, and let's say this, right? Leg workout and woman doing squats. Awesome, right? So you go to the video. You wanna go to those two videos, right? Uh, you wanna go to the videos and download them, of course. And I'm gonna show you on how to download, how to get the videos of how to edit them, basically, and basically just use these three videos to make the title, right? So you go here, download it. Unfortunately, I already downloaded them, right? Because my Wi-Fi is a bit slow, so I got myself a little bit of head start, right? So you go to Adobe Premiere or whichever if you use iMovie is also fine. Any really does not matter. Any recording software does not really matter which one you use, right? Blah, blah, blah. All this, thank you. Right, so then you wanna look at the videos, right? So while that is loading up, looks like something, not the one, but we you go to this site also called clickbait, like clickbait.com. Because what most people do is they just record, they just put out videos, and they only get paid by Google, by YouTube ads, right? Without you even knowing that you can make more money by promoting, right? Because especially with small channels, it's hard to make money now. It's right. It's hard to make money to small channels. The algorithm really does not really know you in YouTube, and the ads won't really show up if you're starting out, right? So what better way to do it than finding products to promote, right? So uh you go to here to you sign up for Clickbank, you get a Clickbank account. You go to here in the marketplace, you look for products in your niche, right? So for example, health and fitness niche, right? Health and fitness niche, and then you look at what products to promote in this stage, right? If you look for any product you wanna promote, it's good. So in case let's just say this product, then belly breakthrough or flat belly fix, right? So let's say flat belly fix, right? So let's say flat belly fix. This one, the first one, right? So you go here. Let's make our videos. Let's get our videos from here to the video sections, right? So I have weekly videos, right? So one was I think leg workouts. I don't really remember, but one was oh yeah one was this one. I remember that. Right, it's important file because we had two, right? I'm just gonna use two videos. Two videos. So one was that one, and now I'm gonna put that there, and let me pick the other one again. Two. Because I wanna make this video short. So you pick the other one. There's that one, and there's this one. I think on the last, yeah, woman stretching. Yeah, woman stretching neck. Sorry if I mixed up the videos. I did it. Right. So you put these videos here. You put them here, right? And the editing thing, right? And the editing screen, right? So there's the video, and then where's the other one? Oh, okay. And you also put this one here, right? So you put that one there. So if you wanna start, so when you wanna start, right? So that video just plays like that. So basically what you wanna do is go with over text here, right? And say woman doing legs, right? Legs workout for women, right? Legs workout for women. And you wanna have like some type of music, some really nice music playing in the background for the videos, or you just talking about, hey, here you wanna do this, if you're a lady or something, right? Or like you wanna do this, right? So let's say you want to type something, right? So you want to write something on the videos like here, number one, like the top 3 ways on everything, right? So like I said before, here you go to the videos, you look at what this video is all about. Workout for women, how to lose belly fat, right? And flat belly fix, and also this one. So it's a good combination, so it will resonate very well, right? So it will all resonate very well. So you wanna type here, you wanna like put text on this one, like, hey, this is the leg workout and everything like that. So this is the leg, what you explain to you. You can either do a voiceover of it, or you can do the second one, which is and you show the people, right? And in the end, what you wanna do is promote this product. You wanna promote this product here, right? This product. In the end, you wanna promote this product, right? So say, hey, check out this video, check out these are the best workouts for women as of right now. Uh, check them out. These are the ones, and you explain on how to do them. Like, hey, if you wanna get the head start, get the cost of teachers, everything you need to know about women and everything like that. So check it out. The link in the description, and you actually put it like down there, and you get your link. You get your own customized link. No one else but you have this link. Only you in the whole wide world has this link. So if a person buys from you, you get a commission, right? So you get the commission of how much is the commission? You get a commission of $37, right? So 37. So you put this link under your videos, under your video description. right? So and then say, hey, check it out, and basically that's how you make money. It's just starting out on YouTube. It's a small channel, right? Now the thing that hits it is because you gotta use the same tags while you're using the same tags here and the same title, like just change this up a little bit, like workout for women, right? The best way to lose belly fat, right? Or the best belly fat exercise, something like that. But keep this one the same and keep copy and paste the same text, right? Because that's gonna let YouTube know that hey, my video is the same as this one, and that's gonna allow you to basically YouTube's gonna put your video up here, right in the recommended section, right here where there's a video. You find your video somewhere there. You should just follow the strategy, right? So follow the step, guys. I know it works. I have done it to some of my videos. This is the best way to do it. If you don't want to be on camera, you don't want to sound silly and all those things, this is the best way to do it, guys. So thank you guys for watching. My name is Philemon Shepherd. Check out my #1 link in the description, guys. I'm giving away a free affiliate marketing book, right? So if you want to know what I do, that generates me money. I'm a small channel on YouTube. Check out the first link in the description to YouTube. It will take you to my #1 recommended section. #1 ebook that teaches you everything that you need to know about affiliate marketing, how to find the best offers, how to do everything basically on affiliate marketing. It's for free. Just go ahead and download it. The first link in the description, guys. So thank you guys for watching. My name is Philemon Chiapo, and peace out.